everybody. Today we'll be starting with the important questions from anatomy and I'll be giving you marking page number wise. So let's begin with the introduction unit. According to me, reading the introduction unit is very important, although very less questions are asked from this unit, but it creates the strong basics for you to understand the further chapters. So you should go through it at least once. From the introduction unit, supine position and prone position is one of the important questions that may be asked in your viva. The others are not that important, but you should go through them once. And also on the page number 9, there are terms that are described. It is very important to understand the terms like tubercle, protuberance and tuberosity, because these terms will be coming in the further chapters very frequently. And also there is a term called meatus. You need to understand it properly because at times the external asks it in viva. Now moving on to the next chapter, which is skeleton. It is one of the important chapters and you can expect one short note from this chapter. There is classification of bones which is given, in which there is explanation given for long bones. Long bones may come as short note, 5 marker mein aata hai usually, and you need to learn the diagrams for it. Parts of a young growing bone is also frequently asked. I think you should make a short note for that separately in your notebook and write it in form of answer. Blood supply for bones is also very important. You will be studying few things related to this in your pathology in second year too. Moving on to the next chapter, joints. Joints is a long question. It is rarely asked, but it may come as long question. So prepare a long question on the classification of joints. And do not forget to draw all the diagrams that are given, such as fibrous joint ka suture wala diagram hai, and then you see primary cartilaginous joint. Synovial joint ka diagram is very important. Please learn that. And then types of suture ka, there is one diagram which is given on page number 20, figure 3.7. Other topics are not that important in this chapter, but you need to just write a long note on. Moving on to the next chapter, which is muscles. I don't think any question will be asked from this chapter, so you can skip this. And most of this is covered in your physiology, so if any question comes from this unit, you can write the stuff that you have studied from your physiology book. Next chapter is circulatory system. Very rare questions are asked, but end arteries and anastomosis are very important terms which you should know because you are becoming a doctor and these are very frequently used in the clinics too. Also short note, you can expect a short note from end arteries. Moving on to the next unit, lymphatic system. Again, most of it is covered in your physiology and you'll be able to write the answer if you have studied physiology properly, so you can skip this chapter too. Now the next chapter is nervous system. Also I would like to add one thing, that please when you are writing questions on Walder ring, which is in your upcoming chapters, do not forget to add points from lymphatic systems, because Walder rings comes as 5 marker and only 4 to 5 lines are given in this book. So you need to compose the answer properly. If you want, I can send you the answers for Walder's ring. For that you need to DM in on my Instagram. Now moving on to the next unit, nervous system. You can again skip this unit too because I don't think any question will be asked from this and most of it is the physiology part. But there is a table given on page number 53. You need to learn it because it will help you in your this central nervous system topic also. So ye nerves ka naam, iska functions, you should remember all this. Now moving on to the next unit, which is your skin, fascia and ligaments. You can expect a short note from this topic too. I mean, because the university that I am in usually tries to incorporate 1 or 2 questions from this chapter, and the question is deep fascia, which usually comes as a short note. And the diagram that you need to draw is figure 8.8. Modifications of deep fascia may be also asked in your vivas. And then raphe usually it will be asked in your viva. This won't come as a short note or something in your examination. So I'll be covering the other units in the further videos. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and please tune in for the next video. Thank you.